Namaskar, dear friends. I'm back. Dr. Vats Recommends is back. Well, you must have guessed, I am at home. I am doing my videos from home, and I haven't stepped out since the last 4 months. But I felt it's time now for Dr. Vats Recommends to come back. Today, I have 4 books that I'm going to recommend. And the theme of these 4 books is fears that children have, or how to teach children about unusual things. Anything that is unusual, human beings feel it is bad. Well, it's important that in the early years we teach children about unusual things and how it is inclusive. It's an acceptable part of our environment. So my first book is this, and it's called There's a Monster Under My Bed and Other Terrible Terrors. The author is Menka Sanjay Gandhi. I love Menka Gandhi as an author. She's written a collection of stories for children, and it's called The Beginning of the End. And it's such a lovely comment on what we are doing to nature and how we are destroying it. Well, that's another book. But this book, I enjoyed reading it, and it's a must-have, I feel, for children, especially when you have children who have a certain fears. How this book teaches children not to be afraid. It teaches them that posturing. You put your hands on your waist and you look them in the eye. So it teaches them how to be courageous, it teaches them how to be brave, and it teaches them about fears. A must-have in your library. My next book is about another emotion. Children are fearful. Children also become upset. This book. I love this book. The title of the book is Sometimes My Mommy Gets Angry. Yeah, and especially in the lockdown, I'm sure many times the mommies are getting angry. This book is written by Bebe Moore Campbell and illustrated by E.B. Lewis. This book. I like this book because it talks about why my mommy gets angry with me. So it's not that something is wrong with me. It's about the things that I do and what should I do when my mommy is angry. So I love the little pastel colors, watercolor illustrations, and it's a lovely read. Of course, you'll have to read it to very young children, but I love it. Sometimes my mommy gets angry. The next 2 books are actually about differences. This is a book which I like, and it says, why do we have strange bodies? Some people are fat, some people are thin, some people are tall, some people are short, some people have long faces, some people have round faces, some people have teeth like this, some people have no teeth, some people have white hair, some people have grey hair, some people have black hair. Why do we have these strange bodies? Beautiful book. It's questions and answers, endless imaginations of children. It's a very fun book. So why do giraffes have long necks? The book asks. So they can win races, to use as a stair for their friends to get fruits, to use as a TV antenna. They want to be a barrier. टोल नाका पे उनका नेक ऐसे डाल देने का बैरियर बन जाएगा. Look at this, it's so amazing. If you look at this, it is so amazing. So you have all these funny questions. These are the kind of things that you can be asking children about in your conversations to know how they think. It also gives children a sense of humor. So I love this book. Who's the publisher? Strangely, there is no publisher written here. Macau. Macau Books is the publisher. Please buy it. My last book for today is this. It's an Eric Carle book. I am a huge fan of Eric Carle. I have all his books. If you ever want to read all his books, come and visit me. The Mixed Up Chameleon. I like this book because it's about a chameleon who is not happy with his body. So he keeps on looking at other animals and feels, what if I was like them? So he says, I wish I could be handsome like a flamingo. Now the chameleon suddenly has wings. And this particular book, which I have picked up, I have liked it because it is in two languages. It is in Hindi and it is in English. Friends, with the new education policy telling you to expose children to other languages, bilingual books, you must buy them. I also like something about this book is it gives you a clue as to this page, what animal are you talking about. So in the previous page, he wanted to be like a bear, and so he got all the fur, so there's the bear there. So indexing is a very important skill that children need to learn. So this book by Eric Carle, Gadbadaya Hua Girgit, that's the translation, the mixed up chameleon. Gadbadaya Hua Girgit. I like the translation, is also very nice. Eric Carle. Fantastic book. Please buy it. And that, my friends, is my end of this episode. I talked about fears, emotions, and inclusion. Very, very important and integral to early childhood education and to any kind of education. See you in my next episode. Stay safe, wear a mask, 2 गज की दूरी, and take care of your immunity. You know the best way to take care of immunity is to be happy. Watch Dr. Vats recommends.